Hello, dear friends. I have assembled a system unit for you. Currently, it's 2026, August 14th. Configuration I've chosen is relevant as of today. I've selected components that you can purchase and assemble into a system unit yourself. And it will cost around $400 or even less on average. So, to briefly describe what the system unit consists of, the processor is an AMD Ryzen 53400, an OM version without a radiator. Its price ranges from 3,400 to 5,100, but I've taken the average price of around 4,000. This processor has 4 cores, 8 threads, and integrated Vi11 graphics. The motherboard for the processor is the Asus Prime B400 and 15.2. It's a good motherboard with VGA, DVI, HDMI, USB 3, and 4 USB 2 ports. It also has a combined port for an old-style keyboard and mouse, internet and audio output. The processor socket is AM4, and I've chosen two 8GB RAM sticks, which will work in dual-channel mode. This is very important, because having 2 sticks will make it work faster, especially for video and memory-intensive tasks. The price of these 2 RAM sticks is around 5,000 to 2,400 or 2,100 hryvnia. They are one of the cheapest DDR4 RAM sticks available today. If you already have at least one DDR4 stick, you don't need to buy another one right now because it's quite expensive. However, if you don't have any, you can buy one 8GB stick, and it will still work. But it's better to have 2 sticks if you're assembling a new system. Next is the cooler, a Comex Kama 900, which is used for cooling the processor. It has 4 heat pipes and a copper base. It will provide more than enough cooling for the processor, with a maximum cooling capacity of 150 W, and a 92 MW and a 92 mm fan, with 4 pins for connection to the motherboard. The socket compatibility includes Intel 2650, 2700, and 1851. For storage, I've chosen an SSD, which is a permanent memory type, similar to a hard drive for your computer. I've selected a 256 GB SSD, which costs between 2,000 and 4,500 hryvnia, with an average price of around 2,500 hryvnia. As for the case, I've chosen a mid-range one, which costs around 1,000 hryvnia at all. The motherboard size is ATEX, which is a full format size. However, if you choose a Micro X motherboard, you can opt for a smaller case, but it's better to have an ATEX case for future upgrades. Lastly, the power supply is a 500W 80E bronze certified, with a 120 mm fan, and it costs between 2,000 and 4,000 hryvnia, with an average price of around 2,500 hryvnia. In my opinion, these components are the best choice for the current time. Maybe when you're watching this video, the prices might be different, either lower or higher. But as of now, I think this is the optimal configuration in terms of price and quality, considering the brand's processors, memory, and storage. You can simply choose the same models, such as the Asus Prime B400 and 15.2, and purchase them. There are other models available, but based on my experience, I think this particular model is the best. Even the reviews are positive, with the only drawback being the lack of built-in Wi-Fi. I don't think that's a significant issue here. The price of this motherboard was around 1080 hryvnia in 2021, but now it's around 3,100 Ravnia. If you need to assemble a computer, I recommend checking the prices, then ordering the components. Please leave your comments, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Computer components are very relevant now, because they are expensive, and you need them for work, possibly for studying, for games, and for accessing the internet in general. Look, I'm not choosing a keyboard and mouse for you, because they come in wireless, wired, various sizes, and various colors, so that's up to your taste. They cost from 100 to 100 hryvnias and more. So, it's up to you, as you wish. Thank you, subscribe, leave your feedback, and there will be more to come.